Let me divide you into groups, guys. I know without mom, wala dito, wala yung maminaw. Pero, I have a way, a different way. So, I will be grouping you in a different group. So, this one will be group 1, group 2, group 3. It is according to your row. So, I will be randomly holding number, like for example, number 1. Dapat tindog at number 1, group, first row. If dili mo tindog, then prepare yourself.
Bigbaan daw guys.
Very good. Sige naman ha. Love that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hurry yourself again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 lang. 7 lang.
Like for example, I control randomly random. It comes to the ring. And then may nga go. 1. Need mo yung window. It is a way of
Participate lang.
Communication is a way. So I need your response.
Lumiyan niya ba? Guys.
Okay, good day everyone. I am part of Christine Gloria Sinapit. Today I will talk about sales and marketing department. But first, let us define what is sales and marketing. Ayun guys, if you're wondering why wala ko isa ka sapatos, it's because very uncomfortable to buy siya. Kaya nahulog ko kahapon sa library. Ay daganan. Then they nag-advise siya kay take off sa gidaw ng ngayon. Today kay swollen yung patient. Nagit siya. And then, now let's proceed to what is sales and marketing. Everyone, please read what is sales.
Sales is what you do and say during one moment your product or service is being purchased.
So when we say sales, it is an action and communication that takes place at the exact moment where the customers decide whether to purchase a product or a service. Then, marketing, according to William Stanton, marketing is a total system of business activities designed to plan. When we say plan, marketing is all about they plan what product to sell and how to sell it. Then the price. Also, the marketing, they are the one who plan the price, like setting the price that attracts the customers while ensuring profit. Then, promote. Promote means marketing plan how they advertise their product and what marketing strategies they will use. And lastly, we have distribute. Distribute means how they put their service or product to the other everywhere. Now let's proceed to principles of sales and marketing. Some might call it the basic concept of marketing, but let's Define what is need. So basically need is something that we must have to survive, such as food, shelters, or foods, etc. So marketing, so this principles the ideas serve as a foundation. I will give you an overview lang sa kung saan yung mga principles ni I. So kanina yung mga principles, these serve as the foundations of how business connect with customer. Kaya, diba, before creating a product or a service, they should do some research kung saan kailangan i-hatag. Diba? Number 3. Stephen?
Bijin.
Sige ko kaya ni po.
Find what? Want.
One. Kailangan natin. Things.
What is different from need?
Tara mo ng 5. 5, 6, 7. Sila ang 5.
Ikaw. Silang dua.
Why is
Nawala.
So why is one belong to principles of sales and marketing? So marketers or marketing department wants to design a product that attracts a customer to a different preference of their audience. Next is we have demand. When we say demand, it is a human wants that are backed by buying power. So business analyze demand as one of the principles because when we say demand from God, it happens when a person wants to buy something, it also have a power to buy, like dashing money with ba. So, nagbuhat ang marketing, one of principles nilang demand kay meron sila mga marketing na other customers or guests. Next, we have product. So, number 3. So, product is anything that can be offered to a market that satisfy a want or need to a customer or a guest. May naman siya mga product, isa rin siya sa concrete o sa marketing kay
Number 8 na rin ako. Number 8. 4. Di ba dahil na?
Next we have service. When we say service, it is a intangible. So we can't touch or store it, but we can experience or feel it. So one of the major reasons of marketing that they include service because they want customer experience to their service that can give their satisfaction. Next is value. When I say value, this is the benefits gained from what we purchase. Like for example, if a customer buys a phone that costs 20K, but it lasts 5 years, that's the value because nagamit niya over 5 years. Mas mahal. Next is satisfaction. Number 2.
Si Gerald, kinipin daw for delete to. Si Gerald, kinilip to for tindog siya. Okay, malpaot lagi. Anay, kinitindog.
Gina Gerald.
Diba maminabot ka kinitindog?
Satisfaction. Then, ano, one of the principles sa marketing.
Satisfaction na ganong principles niya sa sales and marketing.
So, satisfaction happen when a product or a service is given to us. Satisfaction happens when a product or a service gives satisfaction to your customers or guests. Next is exchange. So, exchange is offering something in return. So, without exchange, no business transaction will happen. Okay? Alangan mag-provide sila of product or service without return. Wala siya money, pangata. About your guys?
Yes!
Next is transaction. From the word itself, transaction is how this includes the two things of value. When we say two things of value, are the money, product, or service. Then basis of being for the store. Then lastly, we have market. What is market?
Where the product
Well, market is a set of or group of people who buy or not buy a product or service. We call it market. If you're listening, clap once. If you're listening, clap twice. If you're listening, raise your hand. Dapat?
Yes. Do you understand?
So, this is not a code. It's just a sentence na and sales are it implies that selling is not marketing. So, what does it mean? Let's try to translate it. Selling is not marketing. Ang baligya, hindi baligya. Well, when we say selling, it is how to convince someone or a person to buy a product. Then, well, marketing, again, like what I said earlier, marketing is about a plan, define a plan to how they, what product or service they should do or unsaya ng mga like set a price. Sabi ko, marketing. Papalit ko. Kasi mo tagay?
Yes.
Ikaw ang selling daw? Marketing? Well, ang marketing is plans. Now let's proceed to marketing department. So, please read them out. Bakit ka mag-tiil? Ikaw mag-report.
Responsible for guiding and leading other departments in developing, producing, handling, and product or service for their customers. Should have a better understanding of the market and customer needs, but should not act independently of product development or customer service. Sige. So, ang akong pagkanali is, marketing department is nasa responsible to guiding and leading sa other department para sa developing of sa product. Thank you.
What?
Ala, very good kay si Kando eh.
So when we say marketing department, it's like a leader that organize everything. They are like the head of the business. Okay, without them, wala ko So the following are the main responsibilities of marketing department. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Agoy yan.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Igulan.
7, 1, 5.
Zero.
Sa kita nagtuhod.
Ayan siya. So please read the number 1 responsible of marketing.
Responsible for building the image of the organization among the customers.
So again, by balik review niya, marketing department ay mag-build job image sa organization to promote pag-build. Marketers mong ay ang marketing mong goal to help shape customer how they view the company towards producing a product or a good reputation. Kalahang mga service or product. Then next is responsible for putting up an effective sales and marketing plan. Because I suggest na nga, that's it guys. Same naman sila guys.
Unbelievable.
So once again, good morning everyone. I am So my topic is we are going to be in charge of the sales and marketing department. This is a structure of sales and marketing department. Organizational chart of the sales and marketing department visually depicts affects the structure of the department. And outlining their roles, responsibilities, and relationships among the individuals. And it provides the clear understanding of how the department is organized and how different teams and individuals work together as a team. So, and the sales and marketing department plays a crucial tools of the hotel success by attracting customers and then increasing revenue and ensuring a strong market presence. So, Director of Sales and Marketing Department leads the entire sales and marketing team, ensuring that the hotel meets the revenue goals. So they are responsible for the hotel's sales and marketing strategies, ensuring revenue growth and brand visibility, then manages the sales team, catering, and vendor relations. So the key responsibilities of a director of sales and marketing. So strategic planning develops long-term sale goals. So creating and implementing sales and marketing strategies that align with the hotel's mission and long-term goals. And then team management, overseeing the sales management team, ensuring that they are meeting their targets and working effectively. Then third is the campaign development, marketing campaigns, working with the vendors and marketing agencies to design advertising campaigns, promotional materials, and digital marketing. And then next is marketing research, analyze the industry trends and competition. And then client relation, build partnership with corporate clients, travel agencies, and event organizers. So the importance of director of sales and marketing is ensuring the brand visibility and drive revenue growth. So without a director of sales and marketing, the hotel may struggle and with low occupancy and effective promotions and big brand recognition. So it is important to have a director of sales and marketing in an organization. Next is sales manager. Sales manager focuses on direct sales efforts to attract new customers and maintain relationship with existing ones. So that plays a crucial role in increasing booking and revenue. Key responsibilities: seek new customers through networking and cold calling. And then sales pitches, meeting with clients to showcase the hotel services. And then offering customized packages, and then persuading new book room, event spaces, or catering services. Importance is because they build customer relationship, adapt sales strategies, and many more. So without this sales manager, the hotel may miss out a potential clients, and then fail to secure event booking and lose opportunities to maximize revenue.
So, today we'll discuss about the sales
since the sila, discuss nila sales marketing. So anyone may idea about sales executive? So sales, idea about sales executive. Siguro na mo sa sales marketing, di ba? Siguro na mo sa sales marketing. So what is sales executive? Mark? Anyone?
One. Okay, so sales marketing is all about the marketing strategy or the plan of developing a strategy toward promoting a product or a business inside a internal or external environment such as the marketplace or in any other businesses.
The role of the sales executive is more to drive the sales of the company's products or set the goals, and they're the one who oversees the operations like finances, general direction of the business, corporation, or organization. Ang kasagaran nga ilang mga trabaho yun kay they're the one who meet with clients during sales visit, establishing new business, and reviewing sales performance. So if the business kay wala yung sales executive, successful ba siya? Therefore wala yung sales executive sa business. Like wala yung handle sa inyong sales management, wala yung guide sa inyong sales management, kaya ba siya success ang business or sa company? Dili no? Next is the marketing executive.
Skanoy, Judy. Skanoy, manang.
Profession that requires areas of expertise to successfully implement and promote company's strategy. Marketing executives are usually senior professionals with 10+ years of experience in one or several different industries, depending on the sector and type of position. Marketing executive duties can span from product and channel marketing, sales, building alliances and partnerships with other firms. So, marketing executive dapat sila ang mag-promote sa brand sa kumpanya, sila ang market, sila ang mag-promote or introduce sa market.
The marketing executive, kay sila ang mag-oversee sa department, the recreation activities, and sila ang mag-ensure kung para ang business bitaw ay smooth siya mo dagan ba. And then kung isa ka marketing executive, dapat like flexible ka or versatile ka when it comes to work. Kasi kasagaran, dili lang kay as a marketing executive sa trabaho, sila ang mag-manufacture, mag-lead sila sa mga construction or either technical services. So, dapat kung makakating role, dapat versatile ka to adapt sa iba't ibang department sa mga trabaho. So, kasagaran sila mga ginabuhat kay they're the one who implementing department policies and procedures about to achieve goals and helping employees with their professional development. So, hindi ba sila as, kumbaga, nahimuli mo sila na as guidance or sila ang mag-lead si Moses sa kundalan bitaw. And they're the one also to manage like negotiating contracts and ensuring that the departments have a safety budget. Hi guys, I'm the reporter challenge of sales and marketing. So there are different factors in development and link and targeted marketing plan for so alin yung targeted marketing plan for hotel, like example sa hotel sa Zamboanga del Sur. Very good focus on promoting its unique local experience, like example, target audience like adventure travelers and nature enthusiasts in authentic experiences, and also marketing channels like social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. So, kato po yung mga mag-picture sa place ba asa ba itong lugar and mga attractions. So the next is begin by developing a client profile for marketing and person. This could also include the F&B outlet. The profile should be developed demographically, geographically, and physically. So the client profile by season marketing segment. So the first step, you need to understand your ideal guest. So this involves creating detailed profile which marketing segment you want to attract. So you need to understand their demographically, their age, gender, and income level, and family size, occupation, or education. And also the geographically, you need to understand where they live, their local, regional, or international. And the last is the physically. Spending habits, budget for accommodation, willingness to spend or extras, dining ba or activities. So only when you have clear pictures of your guests, you can target goal set and marketing efforts and media placement. So if seasonality, your guest profile will change based on the time and the year. For example, summer. You might attract families and children on vacation, adventure travelers or group. So in winter, you might see more couple seeking, romantic getaway, or families looking for cold escape. So ang meaning sa F&B is the food and beverage service, as also known as F&B service, is the name for offering dining or drinks for a customer. So sign up for the reservation and marketing system available to independent hotels that base with your client profile. So targeting sales and marketing efforts, like example, you have nakita na niyo ang profile sa yung guest. So you might use family or friendly image and languages in your marketing materials, offer these activities, and promote family friendly package. So,
however, dynamic but easy to navigate websites that is capable of accepting reservations online. Be sure that your webmaster has you interested in have a dynamic but easy to navigate website that is capable of accepting reservations online. Be sure that your webmaster has you entered and search engine by the keywords that appeal to your guest profile and pay for them to regularly refresh your website positioning in the search engines. Use email to advantage from your site using email response about capability.
Thank you. So the digital marketing strategies. So you need to use online travel agencies, or if appropriate for the hotels, scales and target market, consider using the GDS or global distribution system.
The GM should be the point person for a reason, so the sales person can be dedicated to selling. The GM should be willing to communicate, involve, and severe communicate, but visibility is highest when target guests and on key council and participate in the formulation of civic and tourism policies. Then have the about the hotel. Become a patron of and become a patron of the key resident at a high level with service.
So, public relations or PR plan integrated into hotel marketing strategies, focusing on community involvement and high-profile participation. For example, the Mountain View Lodge Public Relations Plan. So, the Mountain View Lodge ay amalan sa hotel. So, ang goal, enhance the Mountain View Lodge reputation and brand awareness within the local communications among target guests. So, ako yung mga So, what is the first step in developing an app?
Lating ko saan kaayo. Kato, begins. O, gani ka to. Kato yung pamatan na. What is the first?
First step.
Oh, alaway. Begins in developing. Begins by developing a client profile for each market segment by season. Mana?
Okay, Becca nas. Becca.
Ang second,
Dili. What is the demographic, geographic, and fiscality?
geographic and
Geographic and fiscality.
What's the difference?
what is geographic and
Geographic and fiscal.
physical?
Fiscal.
I have no idea.
So, kita na idea. Diba? Stephen daw. Reporter. Reporter, tulong mo ka dapat. Try ano, demographical,
Demographic, age, name.
like place. So, ano din, ang demographical, like age,
Name, age.
age and gender or income level. Geographic,
Lugar.
like mga taga-asa mo, local,
Place.
or international or regional. Ang fiscal guy, like tayo mapit, spending ba, spending a night sa hotel or average daily rate. Okay, continued by Stephen.
Good morning everyone, my name is Emilia and I am the one who is talking about the talents of software. Develop your relationship management very combined. Collect as much information about your guests as possible. Not just the name and address, but the kind of mind they had if they're in event or attractions that they go to the hotel or the hotel. So research such as gateway and ticket. So if you want to develop your customer relationship, you must collect as much information, not just their names and Not just their names and
Studente.
not just their name and their address, but also their needs and wants. So if your guests or customers dine in your hotel, you must ask them about their wine for their dinner, red wine ba or white wine ba, and about their beds, about their beds, type of pillow, unlan, because there are two types of pillow, feather and foam. There are some guests na ganas na pillow made out of feather because bumok siya, dili siya kita ulo and foam. Because there are some guests na dili siya nila ng bumok kayo dili siya gusto ginawa. And about the events and attractions, example of events is birthday, party, or certain friends. And for the attractions is beach and pool. Because there are some guests na nasa seaside ng hotel or poolside ng hotel. Para mas magalito o para nasanay ma-stayan sa inyong gabi or mag-swimming ba. So, gusto ka mas mapaimuang customer relationship, you must ask them for their needs, wants, para mas balik-balik pa yung mga customer or guests sa inyong hotel. Develop cost-effective mailing fees targeted to the past guests and potential guests that will provide for the period of time of promotion that you have developed. Back to the battle of mind. If food and beverage outlet or an organization in your city is sponsoring a wine festival, search the information and plan your promotion before it is together. So if your food and beverage outlet an organization in your community is sponsoring a wine, you must search or find the information and send or mail your promotion fees to them or the food and beverage outlet. This may sound right, but makes also based on your target customers. For example, what segment of travel within a company appreciates and has the travel budget to utilize your facility, who are they and how can you gain exposure to them? So from my understanding, if you want to make a business, dapat yung business nakapokus sa mga customer na need, like itong mga customer na need like nasa traveling or travel sites. Magbuhat yung business like transportation or accommodation. Dapat yung business is makapokus sa travel sites because there are some customers na naglaw ng travel sites and yung business is in the travel sites para mas padali pa o mas nagal pa ang mga customers o guests na magawa po sa balik-balik sa mga business. And that's all my report.
Last manalo.
Good day. My topic is all about marketing mix. The marketing mix is usually generally put into the following for product launch, marketing categories, product. Product refers to the actual goods or several being offered in the market like nature, style, quality, and branding and activity. Price like the amount that consumers will be willing to pay the product. Place distribution is the process of making product available to the consumer. It involves deciding where to store product, how to transport them, and who will distribute them. Promotion
make decision and center the core and consumer and the target markets in order to create perceived value and generate positive response. Education material focusing on the cycle marketing mix, especially detailing product, mission, and price decision within the purpose of marketing. Product decision term, product first term, example, physical product as well as service terms are some example of the product definition of the main. Branding, functionality, styling, quality, safety, packaging, preferences, support, warranty, and accessories, and service. The price decision, some example of pricing decision to be made include pricing strategy, penetration, charges, retail price, volume, stocks, and wholesale pricing, cash and current payment, stocks, stationery, educational pricing, value, and utility price estimation.
Hi guys, I'm the reporter. So my topic is distribution, place, and decision. So the distribution place or decision, distribution is about getting the product from the customer. Like for example, magkaka-product sa customer and then i-distribute mo siya. So only yung mga example, wala na ba nagkuha ng game? Destination. Next is promotion decision. In the context of the marketing mix, promotion represents the various aspects of marketing communication, that is the communications of information about a product with the goal of generating a positive customer response. Marketing communication decisions include promotional strategy push, goal, etc. Advertising, personal selling, and sales, or sales promotion, Facebook. And next is limitation of the marketing mix framework.
The marketing mix framework was particularly useful in the early days of the marketing concept when physical products represented a larger portion of the economy. Today, with marketing more integrated into organization and with a wider variety of products in the market, some authors have attempted to extend its usefulness by proposing a fifth P such as packaging, people, process, and etc. Today, however, the marketing mix most commonly remains based on the 4 P's despite its limitations and perhaps because of its simplicity. The use of the framework remains strong and many marketing texts have been organized around it.
So marketing mix framework, so particularly usefully siya sa early days for marketing concept kaya represent siya of larger portion sa economy. Well, today mas daghan o mas wide na ang variety o ang pag-distribute ito sa mga product kaya pag-distribute sa mga product sa market kaya like nabi ka ng online magazine o